Welcome to the Sweetsite Website Builder course. In the first module, we will be going through some design tools, which will be beneficial to creating a visually appealing website. Images are an easy way to improve the user experience of your website. And design is very important because it helps your website visitors access your website with ease. The first program we will be exploring is Canva. Canva is an incredible design tool which can be used for many different things. Let's dive in and take a look at some of Canva's features. Click on the link below the video to access Canva. Once you have clicked the link and opened Canva, sign up with a new account. Continue with a Google account. Log in with your Facebook details, or enter an email address. In this example, we will click on Continue with email. Enter the email address you wish to open the account with. Then click Continue. A code will be sent to your email address. Locate the email with the code. Enter the code, and then click Continue. Now that you have created your very own Canva account, you will be able to access Canva's dashboard. Canva has hundreds and thousands of different templates, which are already designed for you to choose from. From video creation to presentations, social media posts, logo creation, invitations, and infographics. Canva has everything you need to create your digital designs. Once you have selected your design, you will have access to over 60 million photos to add, edit, create, and download for your website. Canva has an educational set of training tutorials in their design school, which will teach you everything you need to know about design. Click on the links below the video to complete a few short video tutorials with Canva. After you have completed the tutorials, you will be able to create a brand kit for your business and create any image or video to add to your website.